Hello, good people. Welcome to the Zero Code channel. We specifically work on different product reviews just for you. We took our time and invested our energy to do extensive research on different products available in the market coming from different brands. The research included is checking out all the exclusive features, the durability, and also the reliability of the products. Our team is very experienced and they're working relentlessly so that you can find your perfect product. So be with us, support us, and pick your best product from one of them featured in the video. Thank you.
Number 5. Vremi Dehumidifier. A 30.4 GALLON Room Dehumidifier. Designed with you in mind. It's a dehumidifier, not a rocket ship, and our design reflects that. Eliminates moistness, odor and other nasties in the air. Dehumidifiers emit heat when in use, that's how they work. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Powilling Dehumidifier. A smart dehumidifier with thermoelectric Peltier module technology. Remove moisture up to 60 ounces per day with a larger removable 106 ounces. Very quiet operation, no noise to disturb you when you going to sleep. Automatically turn off and remind you with a light indicator. Come with guarantee, 60 days money back, 12 months warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. HomeLabs Dehumidifier. 50.6 GALLON Large Dehumidifier. Designed for the modern home. Dehumidifiers don't need to be complicated, so ours isn't. Eliminates moistness, odor and other things you hate. Dehumidifiers emit heat when in use, that's how they absorb the moisture. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Pro Breeze Dehumidifier. Lightweight, compact and portable, capable of removing. When full, the dehumidifier will automatically shut off. Built-in thermoelectric cooling technology, Peltier, operates. Removes 9 ounces of moisture, day. Perfect for high humidity in your home, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, etc. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Frigidaire Dehumidifier. 70 pints per day dehumidifier uses standard 115 volts electrical outlet. Protects your home from mold and mildew caused by excess moisture. Helps eliminate bacteria in the air that can make breathing difficult. Low temperature operation saves energy and money, 41 degrees. Energy Star certified, yes. OL listed, yes. Please check the description for details and best price.